typical day in a life of a health and wellness coach is pretty versatile and exciting. I would think so, and here's why. Because they can actually work from the comfort of their home and see one-on-one clients digitally, not only coach clients in India but also outside of India to the globe. They see clients, or they can have multiple coaching sessions with different clients during the day, and each of the client might be working on a different lifestyle habit or a challenge they may be working on. Coaches also create and offer group coaching where people with a similar challenge may be grouped together in a cohesive community where they feel safe, where they feel heard, where they feel they're not being judged, so that they can be really vulnerable and share the deepest, darkest challenges they're facing in today's lives. The job of the coach is to navigate this collective group towards the larger goal that they enrolled in the program in the very first place. The third thing the coaches actually do beautifully is that they create workshops, they deliver seminars, they deliver talks for leading organizations, and these talks are powered by evidence-based information backed by science, so that the employees could be more aware of the choices they need to make in their life and the direction they need to take their life and health and well-being. The fourth piece health coaches get really busy with is creating social content. Social content, again, backed by credible information that they have learned in a credible program that means they're certified, and use that information to empower and motivate others. Right? They also write books, they write blogs, they write articles that are read and consumed by people all around the world. Lastly, they also create retreats alongside with organizations. This could be 1 day or 2 day retreats, and they deliver that. So a day in the life of a health and wellness coach, like I said, is extremely exciting. There's never a dull moment. There are so many things that somebody can do and create a lucrative career for themselves.